This is a quick follow-up to my previous video in which I talked about OneNote for video game collecting, but I did not cover how to back up your notebooks or your notes. And I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you two ways of doing it. So you have all these notebooks and all of your notes created for whatever purpose that you're using OneNote. And the free version at least stores your notes in the cloud, but in the unlikely event that there's a problem with your cloud data, how would you ever recover that information if you don't have a backup somewhere else? So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first way you can do it is by going up to File, and then Options, and then under Options, Save and Backup. You can go up here and you can change the locations of where the backup defaults are, right in these here. Click Modify. You can set the duration to a week, day, minute, whatever your duration that you like, number of backups you'd like to keep. And you can back up just your changed files or back up all your files now. I don't use this option too often because I prefer the other method that I'm about to show you. And even though this is a good method, it keeps it backed up. It is recommended, but I also prefer this other method here. And that is to highlight the notebook that you would like to back up, and then go up to File, Export, select the entire notebook. You have the option of the page section, but I'm going to choose the entire notebook, OneNote package, then Export. It then gives you the option of where you would like to store it. I'm going to store it right here on the desktop and click Save. And this also compacts the data contained within the notebook. So it takes a few minutes depending upon how much data you have in the notebook. In this way, the entire notebook is all compacted into one location, into one file. So here's my notebook, and oops. This one happens to be 94 megabytes. And if you ever need to recover it, you just double click it, and OneNote automatically pops it up and asks you where you would like to store it. So this is a method of backing up your notebooks that I use and that I highly recommend, and for that peace of mind that you're going to require once in a while, just so you know you have it backed up somewhere, and rather than just in one location on the cloud on someone else's servers that you don't have any control over. In today's bonus segment, I wanted to talk about the very popular calculator app. Everyone may not be aware that there are extended options to the calculator. In Windows 10, if you click the hamburger menu over on the left, you can switch it to the programmer. You have a couple of different options, but I'm going to cover the programmer. And you can go in, put in a value like 255, and quickly see the hexadecimal value, the octal, or the binary. And then you have a number of options here at the bottom to do mathematical operations. So this is a really useful tool, and I highly recommend it.